All, welcome to the programming hours. In this video, we will learn about how to set up Salesforce DX, that is Salesforce Developer Experience. To set up the Salesforce Developer Experience, let first see what it is. So, Salesforce Developer Experience is a new way to manage and develop apps on the Lightning platform. It will also improve team development and collaboration, and also help us on release with more efficient and agile. To set up the Salesforce DX, we will require in total three things. One is the Visual Studio Code, second is the Salesforce CLI, and third is the Salesforce extension pack. So we'll install one by one all these three. To install the Visual Studio Code, go to the Google and just search for the Visual Studio Code. Just first link, open this first link, Visual Studio Code, and download based on your operating system, Mac, Windows, and Linux. Just install it. Once it will be downloaded into your machine, double click on the installer and it will install into your machine. So in my case it is already installed, so I can show you directly. The one of the most important thing which I like about the Visual Studio Code is in the Visual Studio Code we are having the terminal inside it, so we don't have to open external terminals, so we can use this terminal to run our commands. So the first step to download the Visual Studio Code has been completed. We'll see how to download the Salesforce CLI. So Salesforce CLI is nothing but it is a powerful command line tool which will help us to create a components, to run our application, to push our changes with the help of some following commands provided by the Salesforce. To download the Salesforce CLI, go to the Google and search Salesforce CLI. Go to the first link, and the same way you have downloaded the Visual Studio Code, you have to download the Salesforce CLI also. For the Mac it is different, for the Windows and the for Linux. Based on your operating system, just download the file, and once it will be downloaded, click on the file, double click on the file, it will install it into your machine. To check whether the Salesforce CLI has been installed or not, go to your Visual Studio Code, open the terminal and type sfdx and click enter. After clicking the enter, you will get some following output like this. If you are getting the output like this, which means your CLI has been installed successfully. And version, you can see like we will see some version like sfdx CLI, like in some version, which means Salesforce CLI has been installed successfully. So out of three we have completed with the two step. The last step is to install the Salesforce extension pack. So for this also we need to go to the Visual Studio Code. So the difference between what is difference between Salesforce CLI and Salesforce extension pack is, with the Salesforce CLI we have to write some command to perform any action, like to create component, to push our changes, or to run our application. We have to write some command and provide some uh, parameters. But with the Salesforce extension pack, we will get some user interface inside our Visual Studio Code only, and we can perform the same operation. So we'll see in our upcoming video how it will works also. So to install the Salesforce extension pack, go to their Visual Studio Code and click on this icon where you have to search for Salesforce extension pack. So first of first in the list, just click on this Salesforce extension pack. So for me it's coming as a disable and install, which means it in my machine it is already installed. But in your case, once you will search Salesforce extension, you will get one button over here, that is install button, and click on the install button, it will install in your Visual Studio Code. So this is the official extension pack which will help us to perform the same task which we are doing with the Salesforce CLI. Once it will be downloaded, uh, we are done with our all Salesforce DX setup. So we have installed all these three things. Uh, so we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.